In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a new Premiere Pro project, how to add things to the bin, how to put them in the timeline, and then how to export your video. So, first of all, we're going to create a new project right up here. You can name it. I'm just going to call this Camera Movement Activity. Make sure that you select where you want it to go. Hit Create. It's going to open up into import mode. Actually, typically we'll just skip that. Calling it sequence is fine. And now we have our new Premiere Pro project to open. So, first of all, you're going to have to find a video, at least the videos that you want to have. You're going to have to drop it down into here. Now I've got my clips in the video folder. That'll show you right here. I'm going to take my clip, it's an MP4, and I'm going to drop it right into here, into the bin. Now I can take this and I can put it straight into the timeline. If you have any other video clips that you want to add, you can do the same exact thing. Just open up the folder where you have the recording and drag that recording straight into the bin. And then you can add it to the other end of the timeline. If you have everything in your sequence that you want to be compiled into the video, all you have left to do is come over to Export. Make sure that H.264 is selected. I'm going to name it Camera Movement Mr. Brian. Make it easy to find. And then over here where it says location, you can actually specify where you want it to be. Just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to put it on the desktop. I'm going to call this Camera Movement Mr. Brian. So now if I go to that folder, I'm just going to go to desktop, and you'll see that once it's done, I have to hit export first. It won't take too long if it's not a long video. Okay, so here's my video. Now if I play it, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a new Premiere Pro project. You'll see that the video is right here, and that's what you're going to be turning in.